Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Do you sometimes feel nervous when speaking English at a doctor's office?
Or do you want to learn useful English for talking about your health?
Today, you will listen to a simple and natural English conversation about visiting a doctor.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment.
Now, let's start today's conversation.
Hi, Paul. You don't look very well today.
I don't feel very good.
What's wrong?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
Oh no, how long have you felt like this?
Since yesterday evening.
Do you have a fever too?
I think so. I feel very warm.
Maybe you should visit a doctor.
Yes, I think that's a good idea.
There's a clinic near here.
Great, let's go.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I kept waking up.
That sounds uncomfortable.
Yes, I also feel tired.
The doctor can help you.
I hope so.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning, doctor. I don't feel well.
What symptoms do you have?
I have a headache, a sore throat, and a fever.
When did these symptoms start?
Yesterday evening.
Have you been coughing?
A little.
Do you have a runny nose?
Yes, a little.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
Your temperature is slightly high.
Is it serious?
No, I don't think so.
That's good to hear.
Open your mouth, please.
Like this?
Yes, that's fine.
What do you think?
Your throat looks a little red.
I see.
Have you been drinking enough water?
Probably not.
You should drink more water and get plenty of rest.
Okay, doctor.
I'll give you some medicine.
Thank you.
Take the medicine 3 times a day.
Before meals or after meals?
After meals.
Got it.
If you don't feel better in a few days, come back and see me again.
I will. Thank you very much.
How was your appointment?
It went well.
What did the doctor say?
The doctor said I probably have a common cold.
That's not too bad.
Yes, the doctor gave me some medicine.
Did the doctor give you any advice?
Yes, I should rest more and drink plenty of water.
That's good advice.
I also need to sleep earlier.
That's important.
Sometimes I stay up too late.
Many people do.
I think I need healthier habits.
What will you do?
I'll drink more water.
Good idea.
I'll eat more fruits and vegetables.
Excellent.
And I'll try to exercise regularly.
That sounds great.
I want to stay healthy.
Health is very important.
You're right.
How do you feel now?
A little better already.
That's wonderful.
Thanks for helping me today.
You're welcome.
I'll go home and rest now.
Take care of yourself.
I will.
Get well soon.
Thank you.
Great job listening.
We hope you learned some useful English expressions for visiting a doctor.
Keep practicing every day.
And don't forget to subscribe to Everyday English Learning.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.